Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied accessibility. And we're going to learn about HTML5's audio element. So we can create an audio tag, and it's just like an MP3 player, how we can control music. You have controls, you have source. Controls is that attribute you add to it, so it has to play, pause, and other controls. And then you have the source of your audio. And we could simply add the audio for this. And it also states that there should be a text alternative to audio content for people who are deaf or hard of hearing. And this can be done with a nearby text on a page or a link to a transcript. So for this exercise, or also multimedia content usually has both visual and auditory components. It needs synchronized captions and a transcript so users with visual or auditory impairments can access it. Generally, web developers don't have to be responsible for creating the captions of the transcript, but needs to know how to include them. And for this example, we want to add an audio element after the P tag, and it wants us to include controls. So basically, we can just copy this. And now we have audio element. And then they want to place a source. Includes controls attribute. And then for source, it wants us to go to this link. And then the type will be audio MPEG as they have it. And then we don't need this one. And that should be all for this one. Thank you so much.